Hello everyone, Tom here again from Smartland, and this is our video tour for 938 Ravine Drive in Cleveland Heights, Ohio. We just got done renovating this turnkey. It's a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath. We installed all new flooring, there's new paint throughout. We updated the electrical and the plumbing. There's a new furnace in here as well. This property right now is on sale on the market for $92,000. We also think it's going to rent for about $10.25 a month. So let's just get started here in the kitchen. We installed new appliances. We also installed a new sink, the new flooring that we commonly use in a lot of our kitchens and bathrooms. We also installed a new light fixture, and we refinished the existing cabinets and countertops as well. So let's just go take a look at the rest of this property. So over here we have the main bathroom. We installed all new flooring, and we also installed a new toilet, new tub with a new tile as well. We also installed a new shower fixture. It has a new mirror and a new sink as well. And we also installed a new light fixture.